Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in REANIMAL game. So without wasting any time, let's jump to the steps. So first of all, open Steam, go to library, right click on REANIMAL and then select properties. Go to the controller tab and here select disable Steam input first and then just restart your game because changing requires restart of the game, and after restarting the game you can check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If that doesn't fix the issue, then again go to the REANIMAL game properties, go to controller tab and this time select enable Steam input and then again changing require restart of the game, so restart the game and then check if the problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these steps you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in REANIMAL game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.